Good morning or good afternoon, depending on who's watching, time zones and all that, Nate here, doing a quick unboxing of this EPSON ECOTANK that I bought yesterday from Best Buy. I need a printer for paperwork, scanning, copying, things like that. Wi-Fi connected, printing with my phone, cool things. Let's see. It's pretty simple. The ECOTANK, the special thing about the eco, I'm totally gonna define this wrong, but for eco, you got the eco drive, you got all this eco vehicles, the gas mileage lasts, or the fuel lasts for a longer period of time. So the ECOTANK is this printer, the ink lasts for a whole lot longer than just 5 or 6 months. It lasts for 2 years, from what I was told. So, anyways, start unboxing now. Take all the styrofoam out, all the protection here. So, let's see. Kind of can't really see that, so I'm gonna get a little close up here. Beep. All right, so it says "Kiss expensive cartridges goodbye." It's a super tank all-in-one. It's wireless, print, copy, scan. Easy setup in mobile printing. Two-sided printing. 1.4-inch color display for the touchscreen. 100 sheet paper capacity. It's not really too bad. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty with registration. It's 2 years, and then I read it. The warranty yesterday. It's a 2-year warranty to replace the ECOTANK. If anything bad happens to it, or if it breaks or something, or it's up to 50,000 sheets printed, and I'm like, I know I'm gonna be using this a good amount, but 50,000 sheets in 2 years. I'm not really running like an office business per se. If that was the case, I'd get something bigger. So, but like I said, there's also a 12-month limited warranty on here too. For 30,000 sheets, as well. So it's like, I don't know. I feel like the warranties are pretty good. Anyways, I'm going to take this out of the box now and show. Show this ink tank now. I'm gonna pull it out, or the ECOTANK. Pull it out. I'm gonna try to, anyways. That was super easy. Normally, when there's styrofoam still in the box, it's harder to take stuff out. Anyways, so take this out of plastic here. All right. So this, I honestly. Because the box, I thought maybe it was a little bit bigger, but it's really not that big at all. It's pretty small. It's definitely gonna fit in my family and I's apartment that we got here. We just moved, so we're kind of starting small. We're gonna work our way bigger eventually, after we live in Texas here for a little bit, because I've never lived here before. Anyways, so let's show the ink. So it's not cartridges, you know what I mean? Ink cartridges for printers, they're kind of small, whatever. Depending on if you have like a big office printer, it's standing like this high or something. Or if you just have a small size printer like this at the house. So instead of cartridges, it's actually it looks like canisters, So like it's a lot of Also lasts for a long time, you know. Boom. And then the different colors here. Well, the biggest one of all is, of course, it's the ink. It's the black ink bottle. Biggest one. I'm gonna show a little size comparison here. Boom. There's the size comparison. Like, let me put it in front there. It's a little bit bigger there. You know, it's a lot. So this black is gonna last for a long time. This brand is EPSON. I don't know if I said that. I said it's an ECOTANK printer. It's an EPSON ECOTANK. Gonna be trying it out today. Got a little bit of business paperwork to do. But yeah. That's pretty much it. It comes with these right here. Put these back out. Some colors here. Let's see what else is in this box. If I can get it out, maybe not. I don't know. Oh, okay. So we got a little power cord here. Boom. Put this back in the box real quick. I'm just gonna do a little close up of the printer. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So yeah, the ink levels will be visible right here in front. I thought that was a little neat. You know what I mean? As you know, coming from working in an office to not really having an office yet anymore because of me changing jobs. You know, the printers that we would use, you don't really see the ink level at all because they're big cartridges. Kind of the size of this, or the length of this printer right here, or the width, I should say. Yeah, length, width. I don't know. I've never understood length, width, or height. Oh wait, height is this way. Boom. Yeah, I'm assuming I don't know. I'm not gonna try. Even though that's probably the simplest math ever, but making myself sound really dumb. No, yeah, math was never. Don't ask me how I graduated high school, but I still did. I say that to everybody. Anyways, totally off topic. Gonna take off these little tabs here, boop, just so I can kind of look at the scanner piece here because it scans. So this one doesn't have an auto feeder. I didn't really feel like I needed that function for an auto feeder. I mean, it would have been nice, but it's like, am I really gonna pay $100 more for the hardwire internet capability so I can have an Ethernet cord and plug it straight into the printer, so we're gonna have like a better connection, and also have an auto feeder that you know, ooh, that's fancy, and also have an auto feeder that, you know, but I can just put a piece of paper on top here and then scan it, and then it'll print out you know, copies that way. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's the scanner part. Nice and clean, brand new. Ooh, it looks good. Let's see, what else we got going on here? More, oh, okay, cool. We got going on in the back here. Maybe I do have a feeder? I don't know. But no, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Anyways, maybe I should turn it on and show you all the screen here. Let's try and get that real quick. Boop. Let's see. All right, power cord. Oh wow, it had an opening and I just put a hole in the bottom. That's fantastic. All right. Got a little twisty tie here. I got through the printer yesterday and told some family about it, and they're like, dude, I want to see it. And I'm like, I mean, do you want to Google it or do you actually want to see it? So I'm kind of doing this. I'm going to start doing unboxing things more often, because while I was in the military, I didn't really want to acquire too many things. Once active duty, I didn't want to really acquire too many things because we had to move, every 2 years or so, sometimes less. So the less we had, the easier it was to move. Just less stress on us, not having too many items. Don't get me wrong, we had all our essentials, and we would replace old stuff with new stuff, but as for just acquiring more and more stuff because we had like a bigger home or something, I didn't really do that. So I'm going to be doing more unboxing. Anyways, let's get this plugged in. See what we're working with here. Alright. Aha! Oh, opened up. Alright. Okay. Power's plugged in, I believe. Let's see what happens. See if we're not gonna get a little blooper here again. Alright. Oh, little 1.44 screen there. Let's take this tape off. Oh, it wants me to set up. Okay, let's do a little setup here. Boop. Finish setup using EPSON Smart Panel app. Oh, there's an app. Oh, that's dope. Don't have the DAP. The DAP. Wow. I tried to do app and download put together. Don't have the app downloaded right now. So, and I kind of really I don't think I could show it on this video anyways. So I'm gonna hit down right here, and I'm gonna hit no. All right, what's it doing? Open scanner unit and remove all protective materials inside the printer. Protective materials. Okay. What do we got here? Protective materials. Obviously, I need to put the ink in still. I don't think I take that off. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't. So, protective materials. How about we move that? We take all this tape off. Oh, look at that. Aha. Which probably would have meant by open. All right, let's get this tape out of here. And see if I can. Without really damaging anything in here. Well, I'm trying to. I have a habit of clipping my nails, so I'm not really able to get this tape off as quickly as I would like to. Okay, I think I'm getting it now. Boom! There we go. All right. Get all the tape off. All this tape action. Ooh, what's this tape doing? Aha, back here. Tape. Boom. I believe that's all the pieces of tape. I think, is that what it means by protective material? Well, I'll tell you what, guys. Give me, guys and gals, give me like 20 seconds. I am gonna go get the booklet. All right, I'm back. Let's see. This little booklet out. It's got a disc for the drivers as well. All right, the software disc. And the start here. Boop. All right. So, unpack. I unpacked everything. Says do not open ink bottles until you are ready to fill the tanks. Okay. The ink bottles are vacuum packed to maintain reliability. Some products may not include a CD. Okay. So remove all protective materials from the products. Okay. So I have to remove all the tapes. All the tapes. And okay. It's locked. Remove all the tapes. Okay, I removed all the tapes. Connect the power cord to the back of the product into an electric outlet. Oh, guess I was supposed to remove all the products first. That's the first one. Kind of did number 2 first. And I did the first one. First step. That's number 2. Oops. Alright. Choose a setup method. EPSON Smart Panel app can help you set up your printer. If you don't want to use a mobile device for setup, skip to the fill ink tank section below. Okay. Looks like I am going to have to use a computer or phone to set this up. Alright. I'm going to keep reading through this. Fill ink tanks. So I need to fill up the ink tanks. So I'm going to open up those bottles and pour the ink. Let's see if I can get this. Ooh, there we go. Alright. Boom. 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 Alright, so just where the ink is going to go in. Right here, it's kind of weird. I've never seen anything like it. I've only seen, like, you know, like I said, the big ink cartridges that you get for the bigger, you know, bigger printers, like office printers. Yes, this is a lift. Refer to the color-coded sticker. Black YMC or BKYMC. Let's see what else. Alright, anyways, this stuff is, rest of the setup stuff is kind of, you know, kind of boring here, but just get it's more of a reveal video than a, you know, unboxing / setup video of my printer. Because it's going to take a little bit of time, and I kind of have to do it with an app or computer. So that being said, thank y'all for watching. I'm going to finish setting this thing up, and then maybe later, once it is set up, I will post a little bit of action of this. Or I totally said that backwards. Boop, boop. I will show my ECOTANK EPSON printer in action later on. Anyways, thanks for watching.